discrimination, and fight against it. The world is full of diversity. People in the world differ in social and economic status, appearance, thoughts, education, and rights. Diversity makes everyone unique, but this is also a reason for discrimination. People discriminate against some individual or groups because of prejudices or stereotypes held against them. Some people believe that they are superior to others, and thus they oppress the people of a certain class and treat them as inferior. Discrimination takes place when people are denied equal access and equal rights. Poverty is one of the basic reasons why people are discriminated against. Rich people treat the poor as inferior. Often, poor people are treated badly in offices, schools, and among peers because of the difference in appearance, clothing, language, style, food, etc. The discriminated people also feel inferior as they are unable to afford the lifestyle of their rich peers. Xenophobia is another reason for discrimination. It is defined as a strong feeling of dislike or fear of people from other countries. Some people discriminate on multiple bases. They feel uncomfortable among different people. For example, people of different religion, culture, complexion, and social status. Casteism is a major discriminating factor in India. Indian society was traditionally divided among castes and subcastes. The people of higher castes discriminate against those from the lower castes. Lower castes were denied the right to education. They were denied equal treatment. Not just this, people from some lower castes were not even touched. Thus, the practice of untouchability and denying human treatment were the biggest issue. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a social reformer who came from a so-called lower caste. When he was a child, he was not allowed to sit along with upper caste children in school. He was denied the study of a few subjects like Sanskrit in order to restrict his knowledge of religion and philosophy. Another incident shared by Dr. Ambedkar from his childhood is a denial of travel by train. He was told to travel by bullock cart for a long distance and was not allowed to board the train. Also, there used to be a different source of water away from the one from which others drank. Dr. Ambedkar decided to fight against discrimination since he was a child. He was educated with a doctorate degree from England. He started to fight against casteism by urging people of the lower castes to get educated in government schools. He united the people of lower castes or Dalits and led movements for temple entry, right to drink water from public wells, etc. Finally, he announced converting to Buddhism to achieve equality, which he did not get while following Hinduism. The Indian Constitution gives people the right to equality through Article 14 and 15. It has also abolished untouchability through Article 17. Through the Constitution, the government also offers reservation in education and jobs to the discriminated groups. The Constitution is also against religion-based or language-based discrimination, as India is a secular country. The Constitution offers direct protection against discrimination to everyone on any basis.